Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through two easy methods that you can use to connect a Wi-Fi extender with your router. So the first method is actually really simple. So this involves using the WPS button. So simply place your extender within range of your router. Then press the WPS button on both your router and the extender. Then simply wait a few seconds until the extender's light indicates a successful connection. So this method is super quick and requires no passwords at all. Now the second method is by going manual. So simply plug in your extender and connect to its default Wi-Fi network from your phone or computer. Then open the setup page in a browser or the manufacturer's app. And once you're there, you then have to select your main Wi-Fi network and enter your password. So once confirmed, the extender will then connect and extend your network. So after either method, simply place the extender in a spot where it still gets a strong signal from the router and you'll be good to go. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.